Okay, we are moving into design proper. So I can just select any of these things here. So let me select Facebook post so that it will just pick the size. I select any picture from here and I'll just tap on it. Let me select the first one. So what we are going to do here is just to remove every other thing on this. So you can see the Facebook flyer. So what do? I will just tap on each of them and I delete everything so that I will get a white background. I'll just tap on this image and I'll delete. You can see it. You just tap on everything here and you delete. Anything I wish to delete, I tap on it and I delete. Alright. You can see it. These are designs. So you can just, if you want to create yours, you can just tap and delete. There are dimensions also in case you want to do work with dimensions. You can just go to create new custom size, then you put in your own dimension. You can just click on this. Well, later I'll have to show you where to click. So you can see everything is now clear. So if you want to start our designing, you click on this plus sign. So we import our initial images that we used on Pixel Lab or something else. So I'll click on my gallery. I'll click on it. Then it will move me straight into my picture box where I kept all my images and all that. So what do? I will just have to look for any picture that I used. Maybe let me use this. When I click, I will click on add to page. You will see add to page down here. Add to page. You click on add to page. Then it will enter here straight up. You can see it. Then I can choose to increase it. Just hold the edge of the picture and increase. You can move it to this place. And it's done. You can see it. So what the next thing we do is to select our elements. You tap on this plus sign and we move straight into elements. So remember in our Pixel Lab we took a square shape and we increased the radius and got the rounded edge shape, but here in Pixel Lab we already have it. So what we do is just to click on what we do is just to click on the element. Okay, I clicked on Halloween, that's why it showed me that stuff. The element is here already. So what we do is click on this shape, line and shapes. We see this square with curved edge. So you tap on it and it will move you straight here. Okay, you can increase the size. Okay, if you want to rotate, you hold here and you rotate. You can see it. Then I'll move it here. Then if I want to duplicate, I'll tap here. Make sure that this square is in highlight so you can duplicate. So I tap on it and I duplicate. So I have two elements here now. So I can decide to change their color. The color we used, I tap on each of them and I click on color. You can see color down here. I'll tap on color and I will choose the color I want. Then I'll tap on this plus sign, just like I told you, this plus sign for color. Then I'll look for a blue color, something similar to what we used the other day. Okay, let's use this. Okay, then I'll tap out. Then I will select a okay, let me select this to be yellow and this to be blue. I want it to be a bit different from what we did the other time. Okay, okay, let me pick a yellow. Okay, then let me pick another color for this. Let me pick a blue color. You can see it. So let me move it. So I think I'm done here. So let's tap on the previous image, the guy here. Let's tap on it and move it to front. Or rather, let's just move these images to back, these elements. Then the yellow color, I'll come right here. Make sure it's in highlights. I'll go more, send to back. You can see send to back. Click on send to back. It's at the back. Likewise, I will do for the blue. I'll tap on the blue color and I'll go to more. You can see more here. I'll tap on more and also send it to back. You can see it. All right. Let me send this to back first. You can see it. Let me increase. Okay, you can see what we have here. So the next thing is just, I can still duplicate. Let me duplicate the element, the blue color. Let me duplicate the blue color. Or I can just select another shape. All right. I'll click on this plus sign here and I'll select another shape. Or since we are using blue and yellow color, let's just duplicate. I'll just tap on this blue color. Make sure you are on the blue color. You can see I'm tapping on the blue color. Then I'll duplicate. You can see the duplicate sign here. I'll tap on it and I've duplicated. Then I'll have to turn in this way. Hold and turn. You know the rotate button. This way is the rotate button. Then I'll increase the size and I'll drag it down. I'll put it down here. You can see it. I'll have to increase it a bit because I don't want to see the rounded edge. You can see it right here. Then what next? Let me duplicate this blue again, or any of them at all. I'll just tap on duplicate again. You can see the duplicate button. I'll tap on it and I duplicate it again. All right. So I changed the color to yellow. Okay, I think I didn't duplicate. Make sure when you click it worked, or it works rather. When I tap on the blue color, I'll just click on duplicate. I've duplicated right now. Why is it working this way? Okay, it's because it's in blue color. Okay, let me not confuse you, rather let me just tap on the blue elements, like the blue shapes up here, like the ones here. Let me use this one to duplicate so that you will not be confused. So when I tap on it, make sure you are this, you see where it is tapping on the image, not the blue color. So I have to make sure that I'm tapping on the blue color. You can see it's giving some issues. Cancel. Okay, let me just remove this one first so that I can tap on the blue color without stress. You can see it now. Then let me duplicate. All I'm trying to do is to get another shape. I can just go to shapes and get what I want, but all I'm doing is just to get the shapes from this place. It will be easier. I can just go to shapes and get another shape. So when I tap on the duplicate button, so I have another, you can see it. Then I will move back my guy to where he was before. I have moved him back to where he was before, so I can pick my blue stuff. Then I rotate. I want to change this color to the yellow that we are using, so I tap on color. You can see color here. I tap on color to change the color to the dark yellow. Then I pick the yellow again. I increase. If you were following us in the Pixel Lab class, this will be very easy for you. But I want to send it to back. So what do? I'll move it down here and send to back. I'll go to more, like I said before. Scroll to more. You can see more here. Tap on more and send it to back. You will see send to back. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay this way. So in the next video, we'll be completing it by adding our text and our WhatsApp and our Facebook icons.